Okay, we're gonna open something. I just got this recently. It's like a toy that I buy. Feel good, you know. Look like a big box. See how big it is. See the big box. Okay, so the person's cutting it. Okay, person's still trying to cut it. It's a new toy, you know. This one's trying hard to cut the box. It seemed very hard for the person. And try to pull it. Still trying to cut it, find a way to cut it, find a way to open. See what's inside, you know. Small bag. And then your box of Yugioh cards. A box. We have to see what's inside. Open it. We'll try to open it, okay? We'll try to open it. We got a magnificent mavens. We're gonna try to open it, you know. Okay, we see the plastic over there. Okay, try to open the box. Don't know how to open it. Okay. Okay, the person opened the box. The person got the 5 boxes. Okay, that's good. Very good. Oh. Cut it. Cut it.
There's nothing to cut.
Hard to say.
That's a cut. I never open it.
Cut it. Open it. Open it.
I won't open it.
Open it.
Cut.
Open it. Cut it. Cut it. Just cut the thing, okay? Cut it.
Oh yes, yes.
Cut.
Có cần bật đèn mắt bật chưa?
Không cần.
Không cần đâu. Cắt phía ngoài còn cắt phía trong nó phạm như vậy.
Không biết cạy nó cho nó làm. Cạy nó thích làm như làm. Cái này cho vui thôi nó. Nói tiền vui, tiền giả. Okay, oh, the Turkish Sierra. Oh, the cow though. Legendary ocean. Oh, really, owner? Look at engage. Okay, good. Okay, see what else? What else we got? Damn, we got Afterglow Dragon. We got Ham. We got Predator Envy Melodies. Sacred Summit at Yugioh, I'm talking. Okay. What else we got? Oh, Dragon Soul. Damn good Medora. We got Terrible Iron. We've had cars. Speed red. Oh damn, what else we got? We got incredible glizzy and verduous. We got a Yugioh. Those. Damn, you got them with some bears. We got Mercer's Dragon. Bururu. We got Chin Up Hard. Very good. We got another cow though. Let me feed next with a hello. Sarah, Medora, Butari. Okay. We got that Afterglow. Ooh, that's an Exact. There was a Soul Sweeper. Witchcraft Journey. We got damn you. Here's the girl that's got somebody because she. We got some sleeve over here. You can see, you know, there's a lot of sleeve. Wow, that's good. That's a lot of sleeve. Very good. Okay, very good. Sleeve. We got another sleeve right here, you can see. Oh my goodness. The sleeve. There you go. There you go.
Đúng rồi, cái đầu nói mà nói chuyện đâu đâu đúng không? Cái nào cũng nói chuyện như vậy. Riêng học thức giờ mình không nói gì á.
Magician restage. Đây là số lông Yugioh.
Biết là Lạc Phong thích. Nói Lạc Phong với Chim Quỳnh có chuyện.
Okay. Damn you! What is this? You told me another night through Kais though. Damn you! Go trap. Damn you! What the hell?
Rồi sáng lúc tại má chờ nó chịch, má tưởng nó mở cửa
The
9 giờ.
blues above the goddess. But study. Number so bearish. Number so bearish.
No, I didn't see
Okay. See. Oh, damn good. And the end there's. And I get a Sorcerer Supreme Sovereign Yugioh. Yugioh. Okay. Okay. Play a bell string. There you go. Phoenix. Okay. Get a happy feather darts there. We'll check. Here we go. Little anchor. That's Zoku. Okay. Damn you, we got a lightning storm. Đẩy em vô. Mấy cái nữa. Cái sợi. Đẩy em vô. Afterglow cow butter. Đẩy em vô. Yeah, millimetry restricted. The fashion brand. Sabaris. Okay, there we go. Had the glow, a lot of that cow dough. It's gotta get ready. Okay. Okay, we got Dave, you look at the cheese out, you. Cheese out, you. Cheese out. And you're really on You're totally awesome. Yugioh. Du har hjärta.